All right, Dr. J here from Way of the Wrench with a very quick and dirty virtual pinball tip. Nothing is worse than me putting the power on to this pinball cabinet and then, oops, I have to disillusion myself and open up the coin door and get a keyboard to put my password in. And then once the desktop loads, oh, now I need a mouse, open up pinup popper to be able to play pinball. So what I'm going to show you today is all the stuff you need to do to be able to turn this one button on, and within 10 seconds you're playing pinball. So let's get started. All right, let's get rid of the password part first. So on your keyboard, you're going to press the Windows symbol key plus R to bring up your run command box. And then all you're going to type in is NET PLWIZ. Press enter. On the next screen that pops up, you're going to come up here where there's a little check mark and it says users must enter a username and password to this computer. You're going to uncheck that. And then you're going to press apply. Now, because you're making changes to the account, you're going to have to use the password that's in there, and this is what they're going to store to log you in the future. So put in your password, confirm it, press OK, and then hit OK. That's it. That part's done. All right, now to get pinup popper automatically started upon startup of the computer, you have to go and find a file. It should be local disk C, vpinball, pinup system, and then when you look in that folder, you're going to find something that's called runwindowsstartup.bat. You're going to take that file, and you're going to right-click on it, and you're going to copy it, and then you're going to press the Windows symbol key plus R again to bring up the run command bar, and this time you're going to type in shell, S-H-E-L-L, colon, startup. Press OK, and then another folder will pop up. Now I've already pre-done this, but this is where you're going to right-click and paste, and you can see that I've already put that shortcut in there. So this is what Windows is going to automatically run at startup, which is our pinup popper. Once you've done that, simply reset your computer and watch as it all just pops up and gets right into pinup popper. So there's the computer starting up. Auto login, no password. Sweet, no keyboard needed. And then in a couple seconds here, we're going to have pinup popper. Now it's been recommended to put just everything off your desktop, so it's just black screen. Bam, there we go. So hopefully you enjoyed the content and are enjoying this build series. I look forward to getting some more stuff going for you. So, cheers.